The Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition has been leaked a number of times recently, but the latest leak is coming from Jimmy's promo, a full hands-on video of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, which Samsung calls a galaxy for every fan. We have seen this device multiple times before in CAD renders and official materials, but this is the perfect look of what you can get with this $700. So he reveals almost everything in a detailed video. That's a 6-minute long video, but let's quickly take a look of what it can offer in $700 price tag. So from the front, it is looking very much like a Samsung's upper mid-range kind of smartphone like Galaxy A51. The bezels are a bit thicker here, but that doesn't mean you'll kick that phone out from your choices. The hole punch is very tiny here, very small compared to the Galaxy S20. And surprising part is that it gives you a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. It will come pre-installed with 1 year 2.5, and yes, just like any other Samsung smartphone launching these days, it will give you 3 years of major software support. From the back, it looks really cool. This color specifically, I think it's a lavender color, and yeah, it is made from plastic just like the Galaxy Note 20, while the camera module is made from glass. The cameras here are exactly similar to the one we have with the Galaxy S20. The main camera is a 12 megapixel one with 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 8 megapixel telephoto lens instead of 64 megapixel. So you can do things like 8K video recording with the S20 FE. The screen is 6.5 inches we have. It's a Super AMOLED Plus panel with 120Hz refresh rate. So if I were to choose between thicker bezels and 120Hz or thinner bezels and 60Hz panel, then definitely I would go for the 120Hz. Under the hood, it will be rocking both processors, Snapdragon 865 and Exynos 990, but that is not depending on where you live. Instead, it's up to connectivity. With the 5G variant, you will get Snapdragon 865, while with the 4G, there will be Exynos 990. So it's all up to you whether you choose to go for the Exynos 990 or the Snapdragon powered Fan Edition. 4500 mAh will be under the hood with 25 watt fast charging, and wireless and reverse wireless charging will also be there as well. According to Rollingcon, the Galaxy S20 FE will cost €699 or $699, while with 5G it might cost from €750 to €800 or $800. Again, it is just an expected price for the 5G variant, but yeah, 4G is indeed costing $699. Let me know what you think of this Fan Edition. Is it a good deal or a deal breaker? Let me know what are your opinions. Drop a comment. Drop a comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.